Alright, welcome back. Oktoberfest, Genesee. Well, a little bit about it. It was kind of straightforward. Alcohol, bitterness, sweetness was all pretty leveled to me. Could have been a little bit higher, a little bit stouter. Would have been perfect. Other than that, got an 8.5 and a 9. Did you give it 8.5 or
I give it 8.5.
Okay.
I'll give it 8.5. One of the two.
One of the two, and I give it a 9.5.
Yeah, that's right.
So, you know, it was pretty leveled out, which is what I like, but could have been a little bit more bitter.
Yeah.
So.
Alrighty, now we're doing the Rahr and Son Summertime Wheat. The German Hefeweizen says 5.5%. Should be just a pretty smooth wheat beer.
Go healthy sometimes.
Oh yeah, it smells a lot like wheat.
Yeah. A lot of wheat
I'm
beers.
getting a lot of wheat smell out of it.
Yep.
Like almost wheat bread.
Most all wheat beers I've ever had, which I don't think we have actually done any actual wheat reviews. I'd have to go look, but I've had a lot of wheat beer. Don't really remember the name of it. One of my ex-girlfriend's dad, that's all he drank. You know, he didn't care. I was
The
a minor.
Boulevard wheat. That's
Yeah.
one of the well-known.
Yeah, but it was always real weedy. I used to make fun of him because I always said it wasn't real beer.
Yeah. So I'm getting a lot of wheat, a little bit of sweetness. No bitterness, no alcohol.
Right out, a little bit of sweet,
Yeah.
a whole lot of wheat. That is a different kind of taste.
I'm getting like a citrus bread.
That is a different, yeah.
That's rather enjoyable.
It is, but that is a different kind of taste.
Getting the citrus up front, then it kind of mellows out. It's not really too dry. A little cold.
A little bit.
Not bitter at all.
Not weedy at all.
It's starting to get a little dry.
It's because we need to drink more of it.
Yeah, it's like a citrus bread. Like you took a piece of bread and toasted it just a little bit, not a whole bunch at all. Toss a little bit of a orange marmalade on it, like a good thin layer. It's exactly what it tastes like.
I don't know what that is you're talking about.
Orange marmalade is like an orange jelly, but they take pieces of the rind and they shred it like they do Parmesan cheese.
Okay.
Put it in there.
Wow. I want to try that on some toast now because I like this flavor.
If you take pork chops and put orange marmalade on them, it's real good.
So, this beer, I'm not going to talk about compare this flavor because I don't know what to compare it to, but I am really enjoying that flavor. That is a very good beer, and my only problem with this beer is we only got one.
Yeah.
So
It's a little dry, but I mean, there's only one way to fix that.
I have to drink more of it.
Drink more.
It's like you're saying, it's a little dry, but it ain't too bad. My mouth ain't watering that bad.
No.
I think this will be an awesome grilling beer.
Mm-hmm.
It's light, you know. I think this would be an awesome.
I think it'd be good with some spicy brats.
Yeah. Yeah. Which I do have a couple of regular brats in there. Probably like one left. I don't know. I ain't sure how many of them I've ate. I had a grill out last night because I'm not allowed to cook in the house anymore. It's ridiculous. One little accident and they think it's the end of the world.
Oh, he almost catch the house on fire.
So, alright. I'm loving this beer. And being from Fort Worth, so I know for damn fact I can get it right here. If not, hey, guess what? Texas is. I can make the first liquor store in Texas in about 45 minutes from here. So, but great beer. Is this one that you bought?
Yeah, I got it today.
Did you happen to see like what the prices was on it?
No.
All right.
But being that it was in their pick 6, it was under $10 easily.
All right. So, I mean, it's a 5.5% alcohol. If you can get a 6-pack, you know, $8 or so, it's probably worth it.
Yeah.
Damn good beer. I think it would go great, like I said, grill food. Just grilling, period, a party beer.
Yeah.
I think it would go great. Definitely good wheat beer. Hey, go healthy once in a while.
No, sounds good. Get you one of those cheddar brats. Put a little bit of spicy mustard. Take a bite out of it. Take a drink. Get you a little bite of coleslaw or potato salad, whichever you prefer.
Yeah.
Or even a good bite of a dill pickle.
Yeah.
Mm.
Well, you know, we've already discussed that we need to grill out and stuff, so I don't know. Well, I'm not coming in till around Thanksgiving time the next time in, but maybe if it's still pretty, we can try that.
You still need to get that damn smoker done.
I know. I was hoping to have that done by Christmas time. Throw some birds in that damn thing. Some hams. But,
The old DeMontre smokes a lot of meat, though.
does he?
And he's got an electric smoker. He told us if we got a chicken or turkey to smoke, let him know to smoke it. Alright, guys.
That's who we need to get together with us on beer reviews.
You don't know shit about beer.
It don't matter. He's funny.
How long you known him?
Oh, man. Years ago. I mean, we didn't keep in touch or anything, but he's exactly the same as I remember him. Joking, laughing. Yeah.
Alright, guys. It's like an orange bread. Little too heavy on the dryness for me, but I mean, it's nothing that can't be fixed. Bitterness is good. All around good beer.
Yeah, it's all around beer.
Alright, I chose this. I spent.
Alright, so Yeah, I'm gonna give it that.
There was hardly anything wrong with it. I'm gonna say 9.5.
I give it a 10.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a perfect beer.
Just the dryness is about it. That's the only issue for me.
Yeah. I mean, it is a little dry. If we had more, it wouldn't be.
It's not filling. A lot of wheat beers like the Boulevard. You have two of them and you're just like, ugh. This one, I'm burping. I'm not burping. So, let me turn this sucker off.
Yep. But, yeah, give it a straight up 10, man. It's a good beer.
So if you see it, there you go.
I definitely say buy it.
Yeah.
Grilling
And
mowing the yard.
I did review the Rahr and Sons Fort Worth Session Ale. I reviewed that. I actually uploaded the video a day ago. I believe I gave that one a 9 or a 10, one of the two, somewhere around there. That was a damn good beer. So Rahr and Sons, you guys are kicking out the park. So
Yeah, I think we've done a couple of them.
I'd have to check.
So,
Yeah.
anyways, I know the name of them. We've ever done them or talked about them. But
Yeah.
good beer. But Texas still sucks. So
You Longhorns, don't get your hopes up.
yeah.
All right, guys. We'll be seeing you.